In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Docs document in landscape mode. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your document is formatted exactly how you need it. Whether you're working on a creative project or preparing a professional presentation, having your pages in landscape can make all the difference. Let's begin by heading over to Google Docs. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Google Docs main dashboard, where you can see any documents you've recently worked on or start a new one. Today, we're creating a fresh document, so go ahead and click on the blank page icon to get started. Now that you're in your new document, let's turn our attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll notice a tab labeled File on the far left side. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu full of various options. Scroll towards the bottom until you find Page Setup and select it. This option is the gateway to adjusting your document's layout, and it's where we'll make our landscape switch. Within the Page Setup window, you'll see several settings, but focus your eyes on where it shows orientation. By default, it's set to portrait mode, but notice that landscape is also an option right there next to it. Click on landscape to switch the orientation. While you're here, take note of the additional customization settings available to you. You can adjust the margins, select your preferred paper size, or even choose a background color if you're feeling creative. These settings can be particularly useful depending on the specific requirements of your project. Before we finalize, here's a handy tip if you often find yourself needing landscape documents for various tasks. You can make this your default setup for all new documents by clicking the Set as Default button before you exit this window. That way, each new document you create will automatically open in landscape mode, saving you time in the future. Once you're satisfied with the settings, all that's left to do is click the OK button. Doing this will apply your landscape setting to the current document, and you'll notice the page immediately shifts to the wider view. This setup should now be exactly what you were looking for. And there you have it, a quick, straightforward method to get your Google Docs page into landscape mode. Remember, having a proper layout is not just about aesthetics, it's about providing content in the most effective way possible. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy document editing.